Define the following terms. First is molarity, molar elevation constant, that is Kb. The second is a solution containing 15 gram urea, molar mass 16 gram mole inverse per liter of solution in water has the same osmotic pressure as a solution of glucose, molar mass 180 gram mole inverse in water. Calculate the mass of glucose present in 1 liter of its solution. And another question is, what type of deviation is shown by mixture of ethanol and acetone? Give reason. Second is a solution of glucose, molar mass 180 gram mole inverse in water is labeled as 10% by mass. What would be the molality and molarity of the solution? Density of the solution is 1.2 gram mole liter inverse. So first of all, molarity is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution, and basically, or we can say that moles of solute that are dissolved in 1 liter of solution. And the second is it is equal to elevation in boiling point of 1 molar solution. And for the isotonic solution, pi urea is equal to pi glucose. Now here we have the formula for it. We have to calculate the weight of glucose. We have given weight of urea, mass of urea and mass of glucose. So we will put the values. First of all, as weight of urea is 15 gram and mass of urea is 60 gram mole inverse, and by cross multiplying we will calculate the weight of glucose, that is equal to 15 gram into 180 gram mole inverse and by 60 gram mole inverse. So here we get the value 45 gram. The weight of glucose is equal to 45 gram. Now the answer for the choice question is it will show the positive deviation, that it is due to weaker interaction between acetone and ethanol than ethanol interaction. Now the second answer is the weight of B is 10 gram. We have given the values here over here. So first we will calculate the molality, that is equal to Wt percentage into density into 10 by mole weight. So we will fill the values as been. They have given that Wt is 10 and density is 1.2 over 180, that is 0.66 mole in liter in. And to calculate the molarity we have the formula Wb into 1000 by Mb into Wa. So by putting the values we will calculate the molarity, that is 0.61 mole by per kg